Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is once again reached the resistance of this bearish pattern, and in today's video we will once again take a look whether the price line will be able to break it out or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this report in the video's description that will show you how many trades I've shared in the previous month. For example, the total number of trades I shared 75, and out of 75, 62 trades were successful. And for example, if you would like to verify any trade, then you can just click on the link and it will take you to the idea that I've posted for my members. And I've also shared the screenshots how the price line entered the buying zone and reverse bullish hit the sell target. So you can just click on the link, it will take you to the trading view, and if you have at least a free account there, you can just click on the link display button and it will show you how the price line reverse bullish and hit the sell targets. Now let's start the analysis, and first of all let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that previously we broke out this down channel. This is very important. We should not forget that we have already broken out a down channel, and the target for this down channel is here at approximately $68,000. And after this breakout, we have found this uptrend line support, and in fact the Bitcoin on the daily time frame chart is on uptrend, and we can see that we have some rejections here as well and some bounces, and it has formed a rising wedge pattern that is considered to be a bearish reversal pattern. However, we can see that here we also have a hidden bullish divergence, as the stochastic is forming lower than previous low and the price line is forming higher low than previous low. And this movement of the price line is very synchronized with the stochastic as well. You can see that the stochastic entered the oversold zone here, price line touched the support, then we had a move to the upside again. Here stochastic gave us the signal that the market for Bitcoin is oversold and the price line touched the support. Then again we had a nice move to the upside again happen here, and once again is happening right now. You can see that the stochastic is indicating on the daily time frame that the market for Bitcoin is oversold, and we are again at this support. Now this time, if there will be a price reversal, then it can reach the resistance of this bearish bullish pen, this rising wedge pattern that will be this time approximately at $49,500. Now let's take a look at this bearish pen that Bitcoin has formed on the 4-hourly time frame chart, and we are for the last several hours we are following this bearish pen, and even we had a fake out here to the downside, but the price line reversed bullish and re-entered this bearish pen. And you can see that since after 3rd of April the price line is not able to break out the resistance. We are getting rejected again and again, and now we are just reached the resistance. And the breakout from this bearish pen, even though this is a 4-hourly time frame chart, very small time frame, but this is a big hope that we can have a starting of this big move from this support to this resistance on the daily time frame chart, because after the breakout from this bearish pennant, our target for this pennant will be here approximately at $47,000. That will be a starting of a big move from this support to this resistance of the rising wedge pattern as well. So next few movements even very important for Bitcoin, because we are again reached the resistance, so it can be decided maybe today we will break out this resistance. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.